Hello everybody, I hope you're all enjoying this beautiful day. I'm just here in my backyard doing some grounding right now. I wanted to hop on here and talk to you ladies about if you're experiencing painful periods and kind of like why that is happening and a solution to if you don't want to feel that anymore. So basically I used to experience that. But ever since I started taking, personally for me, when I started taking the infinite iodine, like the Doctorate Detox infinite iodine, and I personally was doing 20 sprays a day, I noticed a difference in my hormonal balance. That really helped it. Also, just cleaning up my diet. I started eating more fresh and raw. I cut back on the meat a lot, if not completely at times. I cut back on the gluten. I completely cut dairy out. Those small little changes made such a huge difference for me. And honestly, like I started juicing. We have a local juicery, so we'll get these like mixed either green drinks or like carrot drinks and stuff. And that has been amazing because if I'm hungry or I don't really want to eat, but like I need to nourish myself, I'll just have a couple of juices and I'm good. Also, I started drinking structured water. That made a huge difference for me as well. I noticed a difference. I was on Kangen water, but then structuring my Kangen water now is just amazing, and I noticed even more of a difference. And then I took the Pelvic Restoration Disease Prevention Masterclass in Mexico in January, and now I'm teaching it along with Serena, Lorraine, and Alicia. And I kind of wanted to, I'm doing it more for prevention. Oh, sorry. I'm doing it, oh, okay, this bug really likes me right now. I'm doing it more for prevention than restoration because I'm younger. So I haven't had kids yet. I haven't had the issues that a lot of other ladies have who have taken the course. So I kind of want to reach out to the younger girls and let you know that even though you're young and you're experiencing these issues like painful periods or some of them have endometriosis, but mostly like I did a survey on a lot of the people I know, and they're like, they were like, this bug, they all had the same thing when I asked them like what are issues that they experience, and it was all painful periods, like bad cramping, like they'd feel pain into their thighs and like it would just go down. They'd be out in their bed for like a week before their period and then during and then sometimes even after, and it's just like it shouldn't be taking you out for 3 weeks out of a month when it's supposed to be a 1-week cycle. So honestly, like if you start just cleaning up your diet, drinking the right water and the right amount of water, and then I encourage you to come check out our masterclass. Like it's really amazing what you learn, and what we teach you is so simple. You can take it home with you and do these exercises and these practices. Like the vaginal infusion is amazing, and honestly, like you feel so good after doing it, and you can't do it too often. Like you could do it as many times a day as you want. It just depends on how much time you have. So I really encourage every young woman, even like any age, from when you get your period to however old you are eligible to take this course. And we are in Australia. I'm leaving for Australia on Saturday, actually. I will be there for the Wolf Non-Surgical course, which I'm very excited about. I'll be helping assist Dr. Sage Wolf in that. And then after that, we have the 3-day masterclass for the Pelvic Restoration and Disease Prevention course. And yeah, I look forward to seeing all the ladies there. They're all very excited. We're getting everything in order. And then we also have our last course of this year will be in Bonita Springs, Florida. So that will be October 28th, 29th, and 30th. So again, I encourage anyone who wants to travel or just come check us out. It's going to be amazing. And I've heard Bonita Springs is beautiful, so if you want, and it's October, so it'll get kind of colder here in Canada. So if anybody wants to travel and come see us there, that would be amazing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 705-984-1699. And I see someone's asking what the vaginal infusion is. It's a mixture of some of the Detox products that you put together, and then you get a vaginal launcher. You can get them on Amazon, and you'll insert it vaginally and just keep your hips and legs up for 15 minutes to let it infuse. And it basically, you're nourishing your pelvic bowl. And we nourish everything else, like we nourish our body, like when we want to eat something or we drink, like you're nourishing your body. So why aren't we nourishing our pelvis when that is the holy grail of everyone? So it was lovely talking to all of you. I gotta go start packing because I have a friend's wedding, so I'm like kind of doing things ahead of schedule. So please reach out if you have any questions, or if you'd like to sign up for the Australia course or the Bonita Springs course in October. Otherwise, we won't be having another one until March, I believe. March. So I look forward to seeing all of you beautiful people whenever I run into you. Have a beautiful day.